Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game actually outputs sound, open it, and listen. Once confirmed, set Windows' default output to the device you use for gameplay, headphones or speakers, so OBS can capture the correct stream. Then open OBS and inspect the audio mixer. Make sure desktop audio is present and unmuted. If desktop audio is missing, add an audio output capture source and point it to the same physical device. This links Windows sound to OBS for recording. Next, refine how OBS captures sound by choosing Audio Output Capture and selecting the exact device, because generic desktop audio can miss game-only streams. If you need single-app capture, set up WASEPI Loopback for that app or use a virtual mixer like VoiceMeter. These route audio explicitly into OBS. Also verify sample rates. Mismatched 44.1 versus 48 kHz between Windows and OBS causes silence or glitches. So match them. To finish, open Advanced Audio Properties in OBS and confirm the game source is assigned to the recording track you're exporting. Uncheck unwanted mute or monitor-only flags. Update your audio drivers in OBS and run OBS as administrator if device permissions prevent capture. If you still have silence, disable exclusive mode in the sound device properties or restart the Windows audio service. This frees locked devices. One key troubleshooting tip: test recording with a browser audio source to isolate game versus system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.